What's up, guys? We're here at the Bear Adventure Park. A guy commented, Outdoor Junkie commented and recommended that we go check this place out. And so far it's pretty cool. We looked at their website. Oh, check this sign out. Riley was here already with my brother. It's the Bear Legacy Adventure Trail. They got 4 miles of all kinds of cool stuff back here, so we wanted to bring you guys with us. Bear Legacy was established in memory of 4-year-old Bear Brozowski, who left us too soon, but whose love of family, friends, and the outdoors lives on to bring happiness and joy to other children. The mission of Bear Legacy is to conduct activities to give back to the local community, provide compassionate and financial support to local families with sick children, and promote efforts that encourage families to get outside and find peace in nature. Since 2013, Bear Legacy has held annual family hikes, established geocaches at local parks, and held teddy bear and pajama drives for local hospitals. It's my first time being here. You gonna show me around, Riley?
This is my second time being here.
Alright. Uncle Eric brought you here once, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
It was really fun.
This is pretty neat. Picnic area so you can have all your lunch and stuff.
And if I did bring Will with me or the baby, me and the baby would probably go see some.
Yeah. Well, which way should we go first?
I think we should go that way. That way. Because that's the way we went.
Look at the unicorn.
Huh?
Unicorn. It's pretty neat.
Let's go that way because I remember going that way and I know all about it.
Found a cool little bench. Look at the smiley face in my car. It's pretty neat. Look at this little shelter. Could you sleep in there, Rye? Just throw the tent up in there and you're good to go, right? I mean, sleeping bag. Taking a rest in the shelter. That's a pretty neat little thing there. Yeah. Hey, look here. You want to play hopscotch? It's pretty cool up there. Check this thing out. Another one. This place is pretty neat. Oh, this one looks real cozy.
Yeah, I love this one. This one's the best.
This one has chairs. Wow. You look comfy.
It's really nice in here. Whoa.
This girl's gonna get hurt. You better be careful. Another one. This place is just full of shelters.
magical, Daddy.
Anybody want to guess who lives in there? Who do you think lives in there?
I think like a mole.
A mole?
Yeah, because moles are about that skinny, and I think they can dig that big. So earlier when you weren't watching, we saw some fairy places, and they were really cool. I got to place the fairies.
I showed them the fairies. Yes, I did.
Oh yeah.
You know what I didn't see? Was that big deer.
We also saw a big deer earlier and like a bunch of fun stuff. Watch that video. If you didn't watch it yet, watch the video where we made green mac and cheese. That was the best video. That was our first one, I think.
Yeah, that was our first video.
So that would be on the very top of the list.
Was that one called Jerusalem Mill?
Oh yeah, Jerusalem Mill.
Hiking the historic trails or something?
Yeah.
Tales from the trail.
Watch the first video we made.
So at 4.2 miles of trail back here, you definitely have enough trail to get your blood pumping, get out of breath, and wish you could sit down and take a break. So we're sitting down on this log. Check us out too. They just take all the deadfall and then line the trail with it. The trails are so well marked, nice and clean. Trailblazes all over the place. You got a blue trail, a green trail, and a white trail, I think. I think there was one more. Wasn't there an orange one? Oh, I thought there was an orange one too, I think. I'm pretty sure. 4 different trails. But maybe that's something, right? Maybe that's something we can do to help out the trail. We can build some benches back here for lazy people like us that have to stop and take a break. I'm not exactly sure how much we've done. We've done at least 2 miles out, I guess, right? Well, you wouldn't know. I don't know. 80 miles? 8 miles? We're gonna keep trekking until we find these picnic tables and then sit down and have a snack. Sitting at the picnic area having a snack before we head out. Check it out, we got barbecue grills. We could bring some charcoal up here and make some hot dogs. Wow, that'd be awesome.
Or some hamburgers.
Hamburgers?
I like cheeseburgers.
Alright, we're just finishing up our snack before we head out of here. We hope you guys had a good time. We're trying to bring you along with us the best we can. Hopefully you may have learned something or seen what this place is all about. Check this out. Inspirational rock garden. Take a rock, leave a rock. Hey, that's pretty cool. Got all your painted rocks? Riley, check it out. You're gonna have to paint a rock and come paint a rock and put it down in here. I hope you guys enjoy coming with us. We're trying the best we can to film stuff. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, you know. If you're enjoying the channel, go ahead and subscribe. We appreciate every single thumbs up, every single subscriber, especially the comments. The comments are my favorite. If you leave a comment, I'm guaranteed to get back to you. Hopefully we can start a conversation. And speaking of, if you watch this far, how about that Game of Thrones, man? We just finished our little trek back here at the Bear Legacy Adventure Trails. If you guys have never heard of this place like I haven't, you gotta check it out. It's pretty neat. Riley's second time being here was my first time, but I really like it. If you had a good time, leave the video a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want, and we look forward to seeing you guys next time.